Hi, good morning to you all once again. It's a new, it's a new week, and we'll be going through what we've started under the lecture series on statistics. So, based on our last discussion, we're looking at how to calculate mean from less of values. Am I correct? Yeah. So. And I believe we are done with that. Did I give you an assignment?
No, sir. Yes. No. Which assignment?
I
Did you
did.
give us a no, like no, sir, like the assignments you gave us
Mhm.
previously
Previously, yeah.
made you solve
One of them, yeah. Aside that, did you have any question?
no, sir. No.
Okay. So I'll review that later, but I want us to continue. Yeah, so
Could we another question similar to the question three
um,
together?
let me take a look at the question.
Okay.
Mm,
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, but in any case, if you want me to generate questions around that, then I will do that. Uh, I will do that and post to your platform, and you can do that this evening. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we are now going to look at how to calculate the mean from a frequency distribution table. Yeah. I already gave you the formula, but we'll go through it again. Okay, so calculating mean from a frequency So there are two types of tables here. What are the two kinds of frequency distribution table you know?
On group and group.
Yeah, so just know that the question you'll be given could be a group frequency distribution table. It could be an on-group frequency distribution table. So we'll have to look at this from that perspective. We have to look at how to find mean for both of them. Okay. So let us assume it's, well, whatever it is. To find the mean, it's equal to sigma fx all over sigma f. So, so if it's an ungrouped frequency distribution table, then the X there will stand for the item. Sometimes it's max, sometimes it's height, sometimes it's ages of people. You've been solving questions around that. So the X will stand for that. But if it's that kind of distribution table where you have 1 to 5, 6 to 10, and stuff like that, then to find then x to find the x, X will stand for the midpoint. Yeah. So X will stand for midpoint. You have to find the midpoint of the interval and use that as your X. Can I continue?
Yes,
Who is lost? Who don't understand group and ungrouped? If that is confusing you, draw my attention to it now. Okay, your silence means you are fine. So I'm going to give you a typical question and we'll practice that together. Again, the table could be grouped or ungrouped, but whatever the question is, we'll look at that. So I'm going to dictate. No, I'll write it. So in a workshop, the times taken by 120 trainees to the trainees is spelled with double E.
Chinese.
Trainees to identify a fault in a machine are shown in the table below. Find the mean.
Identify a fault in the machine.
And are shown in the table.
Has the number of people in a classroom changed? Are you still 9 or you are more?
There we are still.
Okay. Number of minutes. This one is the number of trainees. Oh, I always want to teach you something about histogram. Histogram using class boundaries, but I always forget. Someone should write it down and remind me before I start another lecture. Histogram, the use of class boundaries.
How much?
I don't remember. Oh.
Yeah, remind me.
Yes. Which one?
Everything which I'm the number.
Yeah. See your plan. Chinese. The second one is this one.
235, 10, 50, 10. Yes.
After the 5 is it grades 2 or 10? After the 5 is it? After the 2 is it 3 or 5?
3.
Sir.
3.
Okay, sir. You don't know. I didn't know.
It's 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 15, 30, 25, 15, 10, 5. Let me know when you are done.
Adam said, one, two, three, four, what's fine.
Then
Yeah, then you think I know.
Now, with statistics, you must prioritize or you must make it a goal to understand the question. You have to understand the question.
That's the thing is so bad.
I want to.
Are you still writing?
No,
Say you're done.
Done.
Okay. So in a workshop, the time taken, we all know workshop, right? Workshop is these random trainings that are being organized by organized for employees. If you've taught in a GHS school, you may have attended some workshops, right? Arranged for teachers. If not GHS schools, well, I don't know what professional job they organize, but yeah, companies do organize workshop for their staff. So like in one particular workshop, the time that it took 120 trainees to find a fault in a machine are shown in the table below. So 2 trainees could find a fault in how many minutes?
2 minutes. 1 minute.
1 minute. 3 trainees could find a fault in 2 minutes and stuff like that. That means you understand the question. And the question says we should find the mean. So this is what kind of frequency distribution table is this? It's not grouped, so it's ungrouped, right? It's ungrouped. So yeah, in any case, the formula still remains the same. So solution.
You've not done
Ah,
Guys, can I continue?
that's it. It's like 2, 3.
So typically, we mean you have to rewrite the question again. No, I mean you have to draw the table again.
Said there's no lands. What lands? I mean the group one they do there. You don't have no land.
Sir, please, Grace wants to ask a question.
Grace, ask me.
Why is it all like us?
Okay, the group frequency distribution is this one. You see, group, you are arranging them, right? So that's where you get to meet. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 1 to 5. Okay. This was 7, 8, 9, 10, you get 6 to 10. This one is grouped. The 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 kind of distribution table it is identified or found from how it was presented in the question. In this question, it's not grouped. Was it arranged like this, 6 to 10, 1 to 5? No. Have I answered the question? Yeah.
Step is not about the one that it is there, like the numbers are there.
You have to
You have
arrange them in
to,
the
yeah, so if the numbers are there and they just say draw a frequency distribution table, you choose which table to do. Whether you have to do a group frequency distribution table or ungrouped. Pay attention. You
Okay.
choose what kind of frequency distribution table you would do. But if you agree with me, you see that most of the questions they just list the data and ask you to draw a frequency distribution table. They normally specify the kind of table you should do, whether you are to do group or ungrouped. And if it is group, they even tell you the interval you should be using. Oh, use 0 to 5, 6 to 10, and so on, right? So in all cases, you're able to tell what kind of distribution table it is, right?
Say,
And Grace, did we answer your question?
yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, you have to rewrite it.
be changing it.
Sandra in school.
No.
I see.
I don't know. I don't know. He said no, you ask him.
Okay, so now we have this one, and the next thing will be. Now you all know that the formula says sigma
F.
fx all over sigma f. Oh, I forgot to add. I told you the frequency will not be stated in a question. Now, if you read the question, you'll be able to tell what is frequency. So they are saying in 1 minute, 2 trainees could find a fault. In 2 minutes, 3 trainees could fall. So meaning the number of trainees here represent frequency. And of course, I told you the X stand for the item, right? For ungroup frequency distribution table. So this X. Now in the formula, you see Fx. That means you would have to create a column for that Fx. What Fx means is that pick the F, then you multiply to this. Yeah, that's what it means. So you have 2 times 1, which is 2. 3, 2, which is 6. 5, 3, which is 15. 4, 10, 14. 15, 15 times 5.
What?
5.
45.
75.
Patience.
Oh, sir.
75. 15 times 6.
75.
Say, you made a mistake. 90. Say,
Hmm?
the
Hey.
Then this one. The number 5. The
Okay,
number of minutes.
it's 15.
Say you've repeated the 15 twice.
The next one is
Say,
13. Yeah,
say,
yeah, something is
then,
wrong somewhere. It's 3, 2, 3, 5, 10,
yeah.
15, then 30.
Yes, I'm telling you.
Uh, 30. Then the next one is what?
25.
There's another 15 again. Oh.
That one is the 8.
Okay, then 10, then we have 5.
Fine.
So, so we've done 15 times. So it should be 15 times 5. I'm sure. Yeah, 75. Right.
Yes.
30 times 6.
180.
25 times 7.
135.
135.
175.
Oh, yeah. 15 times 8.
120.
120.
9 times 10. 90.
90.
The next one is a 5. If so, 10 times 5 is 50. Right. So
Yes.
when you are done, then you find the summation of all the items under this category. All the time you should write it underneath, okay?
Okay. Hey.
So just add them. Plus, mm, 24. What did you get?
We are coming. 753.
Yeah, I had it.
75. Divided.
Yeah, and of course, the frequency to add them. Elijah, what are you getting for the frequencies? Mm.
Is it?
Yes.
Boy, man.
Plus 5.
120.
Mm.
I'm going to say 120.
Can I continue?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if this is the
120.
case, so
120.
once you are done, then you come and code the formula x bar is equal to sigma fx. You have to code the formula all over sigma f. So in the long run, you have 753.
Divided by
120.
6.27.
6.6.275.
Yeah, all over 120, right? Now, please tell me what it is.
6.275.
6.271. And we can read a question. Maybe it may have a unit. Okay, they said the time taken for trainees to identify. Okay, so find a mean.
Everyone knows that.
Okay. Yeah, let's leave it like this. I'll call you. Yeah, that's fine. That's it, guys. Ooh. Any question? Yeah, any question?
No say.
Yeah, finish writing and then let's see if you
Please.
can. You are done writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give you a similar one to try. Okay. The frequency table below should. Okay, let me write it for you. Don't take forever to do this.
Illusion.
Why, do you understand? Elijah. Okay. My battery life is not good enough. Let's hope you're able to go all the way to 12 Ghana time. And yeah, of course, I'm not in my apartment, so. Sorry. This is
Hey. It's I'm sure maybe it's five.
I said I was seven.
It's seven. There.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
is the age 14, 15, is what?
16, 17,
16,
18.
17,
Maybe the frequency, please, is what?
10, 35, 753. It's not my fault. I'm using a digital pen. Okay, you may begin.
Yeah. It doesn't cross 7, so
Then okay.
yes.
If you speak vernacular,
Guys, can we continue?
Yes, sir.
So if you did things properly, your sigma F, you're gonna have 60. Your sigma Fx, you will have 916. All in all, your mean will be equal to 15.3. Can I move on?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, another interesting thing. You know how to calculate for mean, right? Yeah, now you know. We're still dealing with on-group frequency distribution table. Sometimes they can move ahead of you and give you the mean. This is what you should be prepared for. They will tell you the mean. An example is this. This question, the number of minutes it took trainees to identify a fault. They will tell you the mean that the mean is 6.27. Then, you know, the question didn't come with fx. So it was basically number of minutes, number of trainees. So they will tell you the mean, and then let's say this number will not come. 25 will not come. They'll replace a variable x and they'll ask you to find x. So the same question will be given to you. In the workshop, the time taken by 120 trainees to find a fault in a machine are shown in the table below. Then they will continue. If the mean is blah, 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 find x. So I just want you to know that I've walked you through how to find mean. So even if it's a variable, just don't care. All right, find fx. If you are multiplying and a variable is there, you know how to add and subtract numbers with variables using algebraic expressions. So go with that. Yeah, you have variables, blah, blah, blah. Just carry on to the end. You introduce the formula mean equals sigma fx, and now you put the values you have for sigma fx and f over there. You have variables, and through that equation, you'll be able to find for x. Enough of the long talk, so let's put that into practice. Rahel sent something. Rahel sigma fx over f. You have to say mean equals, don't just write the formula. Don't introduce two equal signs on the same line. You heard me.
Yes, please.
Take note of all the two things I said to you. Yeah, guys, let's look at this. To identify a fault in a machine.
I know.
In a workshop, the time
There was
the time taken by 6
I thought
training
it was for the time thinking about training to
identify
faults in the machine are shown in the meaning of the
distribution is 6.
was one of so that is what I mean. How we want how so how you do they get to go there. You know what this is we do that. We should go there.
So I think the question is the same as what we did earlier. I'm sure even with that we had a mean of 6.25. I'm yet to find out. Yeah, we had the same thing. But you notice something in the question, I'm going to omit. So the actual question you have, I'm going to omit a number from there. That number, I know you know the answer, you know the number, but it's now time for us to use the mean to work that number out. So then you see how interesting numeracy is.
We have something to say. And can meet here. Oh. I think you want to work quietly. Gets it's also but serious sometimes. I really but not being for it one. The micro man.
Okay, guys, I'm done.
Okay.
Let me know if you want to try or you want me to do try that with you. I think if you try, it's fine. I'll allow you some time.
Then
Right. So yeah, so what I'm trying to say is that you create a column for ordinarily I have to rewrite the question, but you know, because of my battery life.
okay,
Just,
sir.
so I'll just continue. So 2 times 1 will be 2. 3 times 2 will be 6. Oh, you have to indicate that this is x. You know, 5 3 is 15. 4 times y is 4y. 5 times 15 is 5 to 5. No, hold on. Let me use my calculator.
They're 75.
75, sorry. What was I thinking? 30 times 6, 180. 25
No.
37.
175.
Yeah.
We have 20 we have
80 times 15. No, sorry, 8 times 15.
120.
Okay. Then 90, right?
Yes, sir.
And
And
50.
50.
Which one?
Now, if you are adding everything here, just add everything and forget the 4y. Because you can't add 4y to 75. You can only add it when it also has a y.
Why?
Actually, it doesn't, so you can add it. So just add the number. So you just add 2 to 16. No, sorry. 2 to 6. So 2 plus 6 plus 15, then plus 75 plus 180 plus 175 plus 120 plus 90 plus 50.
713.
713. Yeah. Then you add a 4y to it. So you have 713 plus 4y. That's how we do algebraic addition. Then here, sigma f. I think that one is 60. Oh, 120.
Yes.
Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry. There's even y there, right? Oh, so you can add it. So just add everything and forget about the y. And what did you get, guys?
120.
Plus y.
Yeah.
Are you sure you had 120?
Yes, sir.
But in the previous question, the whole sigma f was what? I'm just curious. No, that's magic. Yeah.
This one is
110.
Yeah, it's 110.
Yes, it's 110.
Doesn't mean y is 10.
Yeah. What is 110? No, it's 110 plus what? Y plus 110, not 120. Oh.
Doesn't mean y was 10.
No.
That's 120. Sir, it's 120.
It's 110.
Yeah.
2
You add
plus
it, add
3
it.
plus 5 plus 15 plus 30.
Say it's
110.
See why it's 110. But you can listen to me, it's 110. Okay, we are
2 plus.
Yes, it's 110. Oh, listen to her.
You do I say 110.
It's 110. Oh, that's why I was getting a different answer.
So now, okay, it's okay. Follow me. Mean is equal to sigma fx all over sigma f. Now, mean is already given in the question as 6.275. Please, is this correct? Confirm the mean for me. Okay. Sigma fs is 713 plus 4
Oh,
all over. The sigma f is 110 plus y. So you cross multiply, you have 6.275. So yeah, I mean, this will not, so it's going to look like this. You let me write it this way for those that are not familiar with times, right? Right, equals 713 plus y.
oh,
Yeah.
I had 6.
So 6.275 times 110.
Oh.
That'll be 690.25 plus 6.275 y. Rahel, do you understand how I'm speeding?
Yeah, I understand.
Are you right?
Okay. Because 713 plus y. Yeah, so of course you have 690.225, right? Minus, no, I don't like this. Let's maintain the y. So you have 6.275y minus 71, no, minus y. 713 minus 690.25. Rahel, you sure you understand? Elijah, do you also understand? Elijah, do you understand?
Yes.
So you do 6.275 minus 1. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That'll be 5.275. You see? So this one be 713 minus 69. You ignore the decimal. You will get a decimal which approximates to 10, but you are not supposed to approximate. 2 minus 22.75. But I like your presentation though, so go and find the fault. That is Jancha. Y will be equal to 22.75 all over 5.275. What's that? Let me see. Oh, then y is 4 points. So actually, perhaps y was. Let me see something. Hey, I didn't even check your answer and I. You deleted everyone. But let's go back. No, but you see, I like the presentation. You see why presentation matters. If it was exam, she has gotten the point. She has been marked. Let's go back to the question. Why was where?
Why
Why was corresponding to 4? You be there and saying what you like. Why was corresponding to 4? Let's see why. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. It was 10. Or maybe the question was changed slightly. No, I'm not sure. I'm coming. Let me see.
So you have
Was the question changed? Yeah, the question was changed, guys.
Was when I had it, I remember I had this one. So I don't know how.
Listen. The question was changed. 235. Ah, the next one is why 1530.
25,
So it wasn't changed. Then let's look at the solution. We probably haven't added something or subtracted something, right? I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay.
2 times 2. If people add and subtract something, you are not helping. I'm coming. 235 y 15 30 25. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 to 6. 3 5 15 4y. 5 times 15 is what? 75. 18 180. 75 times 25. 77 times 25 is what?
7 times 25.
Mm-hmm. Oh, don't
One
wait.
175.
8 times
175.
15 is what?
8
And
times
15 is 120.
120.
Then we have 90, we have 50. 2 plus 6 will be 8. 2 plus
2 plus 6.
8
8.
plus 15. 15 plus 15. Are you there? Oh, you people hurry up.
Yeah.
Plus 75. Plus 180. Plus 175. Plus 120.
Plus 90.
Yeah, plus 90 plus 50. Mm-hmm.
So you're getting 173.
713.
Hey, 7133.
Okay. So 713 all over. The other one I confirmed that. Okay, so 6.275 times 110 plus y equals 713 plus 713 plus 4y.
Oh, so okay,
Double
4y.
Y. You see,
Yeah.
Say you did? You
I was telling you before, but already.
are 12.
Oh, that deceiving me. Yeah, so
You know that.
guys, chill, I'm coming. Okay, so
Okay.
now you cross the y to the other side, right? So it will be minus 4y.
Say I
That is our 10.
If we are not confident, oh, because of what I said, you want to delete your solution.
I'll send it back. I'll just say right.
Okay,
Hey, director.
so I'm coming. Equals 713. Yeah. So this one is equals 713. Yeah, but you have to be confident with your solution. You should be able to challenge it.
You see, our 10.
Then you deleted it. Oh my God.
I'm sending my own.
Guys, the 713 minus. Oh, I'm lost. Yeah, minus 6.27. No. Minus, it will be 690.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sent it.
Then for a sentence where.
Okay.
Yes, that's
Hmm.
my way. What? You don't have evidence.
The laptop will turn off soon. Hurry up. 690.
Okay, sir.
So 6.275 minus 4y.
You get minus 2 points.
It's 2 minus. It's 2.275. Grace.
Correct.
It's correct.
It's equal to 713 minus
You didn't use it.
690. Right?
Yes, sir.
That one is 22.75. So 22.75 all over. So it will be divided by. Oh, guys, the laptop will be going off soon. Divided by 2.275. What's y?
Why is that?
Let me just confirm. The laptop will turn. Yeah, y is 10. Exactly so. All right. See you guys on our next lecture.
Okay.
Yeah.